Hello students of Standard 3, hope you all are doing well. So now come to our next chapter, that is lesson 6, file management. In this chapter, file management, we will learn about files and folders, how to create a file, how to create a folder, how to save a file, how to open files and folder, and how to rename files and folders. So first, what are files? File is a place where we store information, and each file is having one unique name. And what are these folders? Folders are the place where files are being stored. In folder, not only we can store files, we can also store folders, and these folders that we store inside the folders are called as your subfolders. So, file in computer, the information is stored in a file where each file is characterized by a unique file name. So what is a folder? It is collection of relevant files stored together on some computer storage device. Window Explorer. So what is this Window Explorer? Window Explorer is a file manager application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. If we will open the Window Explorer, then we can see what files, what folders are stored inside the particular drive. So it enables us to access, edit, manage, organize our files and folders. We can also create, delete, copy, move, rename and search files and folders. We will open Window Explorer by Start, All Programs, Accessories, Windows Explorer. See children, here you can see this yellow color icon. This is the icon of your Window Explorer. And how you will open this Window Explorer? You will go to Start menu, then All Programs, then Accessories, then you will get this Window Explorer. Next page, one sample I have given you. So again, to make you clear, Window Explorer is a file manager application. It is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. See here. So now you can see desktop, my computer. If I will see this my computer, then we can see all the files and folders that are inside this my computer. You can see here the plus sign and the minus sign. Plus sign means it can more be expanded, means that some more files and folders are also there inside it. So this Window Explorer is divided into two sides, the left pane and right pane. This left pane shows your drives and folders on your computer, and the right pane content of select folders. So what is content of the selected folders can be seen in the right side, and left pane shows the drives and folders. So detailed files, folders and drives inside a particular area or particular place we can see in this Window Explorer. How to create a folder? So to create a folder on the desktop screen, first we will right click on the blank area of the desktop, then we will click on new, then folder will come, then there we will type the name what we want to give, then we will press enter. Here your pictorial representation is also been done for you. You can see it. Then creating a folder inside the drive or other folder by using Window Explorer. So now suppose I want to create a folder in C drive. So what I will do, I will first open Window Explorer. That I have already told you how you will open the Window Explorer. You will go to Start, All Programs, Accessories, then Window Explorer. After that you will double click on my computer icon. After that my computer icon, you will select a particular drive, A or C. Now I want to create on C, So I will click on save. Now click on new folder button present on the toolbar. Now you will see in this right side this new folder will come. So after this new folder you can type the name of the folder and you can click on enter. Creating a file. So the steps to create a file are, first we will go, this is what are these files? I have told you files are places where informations are stored. So the most common method to create a file is by using application software. So what are your application software? Like your Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, Notepad, Paint, all these are your application software. So how we will create, now one example I have given you how we will create Microsoft Word document. The process of creating a PowerPoint, the process of creating a Paint file, a process of creating Notepad or Excel, all these are same. First we will go to start, then all programs, then Microsoft Office will come. From this Microsoft Office you have to select Microsoft Office Word 2010. There is also a shortcut key to create a new file, that is your Control plus N. Remember, N stands for new, Control plus N. Saving a file. Saving a file is very important. If we will not save our file, then what will happen? We cannot access it when we require. So again we have to create the file in the future. Suppose we want to make any changes for in the future, that also we cannot do. If we want to save, if we will not save our file, then the data or information that we have stored will also get lost when we will turn off the computer. So it is very important to save a file after our work is done. So how to save a file? First we will click on file, then save, then save as dialog box will appear, then type the file name. You can see here, first you will click on file, then save. This save as dialog box will come. After clicking on the save as, this third box will come, your save as dialog box will come, and here in this file name area you can see here, there you will write the name of the file that you want to write. Then save as type, though it is a Word file, so here save as type will be Word document, that will be automatic for you. Now in this place you can see this here, choose a location, the arrow mark. Here you have to choose where you want to store your file. Either it is in the desktop, or it is in the My Computer, or in the libraries, where you want to store your, or you want to save your file. Then after completing all this, you will click on this save button. Down you can see here there is one save button. You will click there. Opening a file and folder. Opening a file and folder means to open a saved file, the file that has been saved. How we will open it? We will go to Window Explorer. After that we will select the specific drive from the left pane and double click on the required folder in the right pane. So the step is very easy. First we will go to the Window Explorer. In the left pane we will select the specific drive from which we want to open a file or folder. Then we will double click on the required folder in the right pane. After that down you can see open, then you can click. The keyboard shortcut to open a file or folder is Ctrl O. So to open a file and folder is Ctrl plus O. Renaming a file or folder. Renaming means changing the name of file or folder. The existing name that you don't like, if you want to change the existing name of the file and folder, it is called as renaming a file or folder. So how we will rename? First we will right click on the desired folder or file whose name we want to change. After that we will click on rename. Then we will type the name in the highlighted box. Then we will press enter key. You can see here, first you will click on the file, then you will get this green arrow. You see here down, you will see one rename. After that you will see this box will be highlighted in blue color. So you can put the backspace key and you can write the name, the new name that you want to give to your file, that you can write there and you will put enter key. See, these three shortcut key you have to learn by heart. Window key plus E will open a Windows Explorer. Control plus N is used to create a new file. Shift plus delete will delete the file or folder permanently. If you will delete a file and folder permanently, we cannot restore it back from the recycle bin. So if you want to delete it permanently, be sure enough. The question answers and fill in the blanks, true, false, all have been done for you. Fill in the blanks, true, false, multiple choice you have to do in your book, and answer the following you can write in your classwork copy. You can see it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Thank you everyone.